Good morning, students. In the last video already I told about the qualitative ideas of potential, electric potential and potential difference. From that definition you get the ideas, that is potential at a point is the work done in bringing the unit positive test charge from infinite to that point, potential in a electric field against the electrostatic field, and that should be brought very slowly. So here the question is that actually that we can get the electric potential due to the point charge. Suppose this is the plus positive point charge Q is kept here. It is creating the electric field. It is creating the electric field around this charge. Our target is that you have to bring the unit positive test charge. Why you are telling the unit positive test charge? It's a very small charge which is used to test the electric field, and its magnitude doesn't affect the electric field created by the source charge. इसका मतलब जो Q naught charge unit test charge you are bringing it, and it will not affect the electric field of the source charge. So what you are doing it here now, that the test charge, the unit positive test charge will be brought from infinite to point P, because we are deciding the point P, what will be the potential at point P. So you have to bring the unit positive test charge from infinite to point P against the electric field, and our target is to calculate the how much of amount of work is done. So now suppose whenever you are bringing the charge, test charge, when you are bringing the test charge at point A, just simply consider at point A. At point A, the test charge Q naught is kept here, and what amount of, because it is at a distance x, we have taken at a distance x from the source charge, the test charge Q naught is kept here at A. You just keep it here, Q naught. So what will be the force will acting on this? What will be the Coulomb's force of attraction between these two, repulsion between them? Because Q is the positive and Q naught test charge already have taken the positive, so both will repel. The Coulomb's force Fe will be repelled outward. The Coulomb's force will be repelled outward. ये दोनों बीच में रिपल्सन होगा, रिपल्सिव फोर्स होगा. वो जो रिपल्सिव फोर्स होगा, Coulomb's, according to the Coulomb's formula, Fe equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q and Q naught upon x square, because it is already have taken the distance is x. The force acting on the test charge Q naught is Fe equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon x square. इस force के कारण से Q naught repel, that will be pushing out. Our target is if you bring a small distance dx from A to B, if you bring the test charge Q naught from A to B through a small distance dx, what will be the work done? Because you know the work done equal to the dot product of F and displacement, F dot ds. F dot ds is the work done. And this will be equal to F ds cos 180. Because what you are doing, that is I am telling dw equal to F dx cos nd. Just if you use, that is, if you are bringing the test charge from A to B and the Coulomb's force is acting in that is outward direction, the angle is from A to B you are taking, and the Coulomb's force is acting outward. So the what will be the angle? Angle will be the 180. That is equal to F dx cos 180. That is equal to cos 180 equal to minus 1. You know it equal to minus F dx. And already this F equal to, already have taken that Fe dx. That is the Fe dx. So what will be this formula? Total work done. What will be the total work done in bringing the test charge from infinite to point P? So what will be the total work done? The total work done, W will be equal to integration F dx, the Fe dx, and the minus sign is taken outside. This is equal to minus infinite to R, because you know इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब समझ रहे ना, इनफाइनाइट टू p तक जब हम ला रहे, इनफाइनाइट टू p तक ला रहे, So infinite to p बीच में we have taken the integration that is from infinite to r because p r distance में. So minus infinite to r f dx that is equal to minus infinite to r 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square because f already you have taken it. F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square and that dx minus sign is taken out already. This is equal to minus q naught and 4 pi epsilon naught and minus is taken out of the integration and remaining part is the 1 by x square dx 1 upon x square dx. So that integration equal to x to the power minus 2 dx and that you know it x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 that is equal to minus 1 upon x. We are telling minus 1 upon x. Already I have directly written it is minus 1 upon x and the limit is taken from infinite to r. This is equal to this minus becomes plus. So q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught and 1 by x is left out. So we will be putting the 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinite. And this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon r because 1 upon infinite is 0. So that we are finding that w equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon r. This amount of work is done in bringing the q naught test charge. Already I have brought the q naught test charge. Q naught test charge from infinite to point P. But as per the definition, you have to bring the unit positive test charge per unit test charge. So what will the per unit test charge? Q naught will be divided. Jab 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q naught upon w. So you know the potential V P equal to W upon Q naught. You are finding that is the potential. The definition of potential is W upon Q naught is the work done per unit charge. So Vp equal to W upon Q naught that is equal to W upon Q naught that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So this is the required expression for the potential at point P due to a single point charge. If you keep the single point charge here in this point, if it is at a distance r, we are having the potential that is equal to Vp equal to W upon Q naught. W upon Q naught and this is equal to mathematically 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So this is all about the potential at a single point. From overall we are getting the three ideas. What three formulas for the potential? Once again I am telling about that potential that